Hi and welcome back to another quick guide today. We will walk you through why is my iPhone not getting notifications. If your iPhone is not getting notifications, the issue is often caused by notification settings, focus mode, network problems, or app-specific settings. In most cases, you can restore notifications by reviewing a few system settings and make sure your apps are configured correctly. Follow these troubleshooting steps to identify and fix the problem. To begin, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Tap Notifications and make sure notifications are enabled for the affected app. Check that lock screen, notification center, and banners are selected for the app. Return to Settings and tap Focus. Turn off Do Not Disturb or any other active focus mode, or adjust its notification settings. Check whether Scheduled Summary is enabled and disable it if you want notifications to appear immediately. Make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or a cellular network. Open the affected app and verify that its all notification settings are turned on. Now, go to Settings, General, Background App Refresh, and enable it for the app if needed. Restart your iPhone to refresh the system. Check for iOS updates by going to Settings, General, Software Update, and install any available updates. Confirm that low power mode isn't limiting background activity if the app relies on it. Sign out of the affected app and sign back in if notifications still aren't working. If notifications continue to fail after these steps, contact the app developer or Apple support for further assistance. And that's all for now, folks. Thank you for watching.